So my people, Able Boss and him ex-girlfriend thing still a go on. Seeing she go up on live with RT Boss and talk some things, but I the one with Blinger, me I go share with Uno. You see me? So RT Boss must go over for live and I talk about what a go on, you see me? But RT Boss take it to over Bling you know and Bling RT Boss and where you name you know I go see him dep on the live scene. So one attack for Able Boss and one attack for the girl. You know what I mean? And people, I'm gonna make you hear what them are going with. But Able Boss get a ultimatum, my people, for take down the video them or else seeing that the girl say. So me I gonna make you see what Yellow Boss do. Cause Yellow Boss go take down the video them, so me I wonder how we have over Able head scene. So me I go share what Able Boss say. Cause some people join Able Boss live too. And I talk to him and I say certain things, you know what I mean? When I go share with him, you know. So we are gonna kick it off with Able Boss and then we go over Blinger for the rest of the foolish scene.
Oh God, what is the problem? No, bro. All of them are woman. Me not see what the problem. I feed them front. I feed them body. I feed them everything. It's not phone one. One have a problem, bro. Anyways, when everything cool down, you must say cool down. Like everything cool down. You know, I'm gonna delete the video. I'm gonna delete the video. I'm gonna delete the video from now. I'm gonna delete the video. I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna delete them. I'm not gonna post some more video. I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna delete the video them guys. I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna delete the video them guys. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh, your pastor man. Jesus. Jesus pass. Here Louise. Here Louise. Here Louise. Ah. I'm gonna delete them because at the end of the day I'm proving that nobody can bully me. Nobody can bully me. Nobody on the internet can bully me and bully me after that. Nobody at all. Remember I mentioned that nobody can bully me. So they continue again. I'm gonna delete them. Yeah. Behalf of my moderators them, Louise, Catwoman, and everybody Rudy, big up yourself. We have to delete the video them. You understand? Yeah, delete them. Let's change the narrative. Okay, thank you. Change it. Let's delete them. Jesus Christ. Rudy Wagwan. Here, Kabi. Jesus Christ. Yo. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna delete this fast, you know, because let me start, but make the video stay. No, I delete them, man. Jesus Christ. But delete them off of TikTok already, Instagram me there. Instagram me there. No delete them. Bumbleclot. What do you mean by they delete them?
She says she had secret for you, right? So you proving to deleting these gonna be like, yes, she really have secret for you. No, you shouldn't delete them. She says she have 2 secret for you and she don't want to flap you and bust it. So you deleting this, proving like, yes, you're guilty of some secret going on.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Did you save them?
But delete them off of TikTok.
But didn't you save them in your phone when you're making the video?
Yeah.
Okay, so repost it.
Jesus Christ.
So when I see the man take them down and a woman come and tell the man say, yo, put them up back. You see me? Come me did on her live when she say, you know what I mean, him fi take them down and a bag of things. You see me? I say, but if at that she a go do, that means say the man a go have something to say, alright, since you say that, me nah take it down then. You see me? So it look like a that a go on, you know. So it look like Able Boss take them down and I go put them up back again. You see me? So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. And on a level, sometimes you're on a high level. You know what I mean? And people are going to drag you down. But you have to know what to do. Because somebody will come on the live and come talk to Able Boss. But you know what I mean? What Able Boss do still, me not like that. You know what I mean? But as me say, to each his own. A man free to do what him want do. You see me I say, but people make me know what you think in the comment section. We're gonna watch some more.
Oh, that she say? For that look up, I never know that she said that for real. I never know that she said that. That's a lie, she never said that. For real, like, if she definitely said that, no, I'm gonna delete the video then it move like some guilty or something. For real, me never know. For real, it make it look like some guilty or something. For real, if she really says so, me never know that she says so. Never know. Moderators, remember son of your work, see me, you know. And when me up on the camera, people are gonna take my image and screen record, fix up, and dash it over there, so and dash that over there, so and I go feel worse. Uno I go feel worse. Uno I go feel worse. Uno I go feel worse. For here say all the things them where them assume are all the things them where them hold on, not all this. Hold on there. Hold on the image. All the things that them assume are all the things that them manipulate the girl for say would be true without no proof because nobody can have proof or anything. And what am I gonna do girl box to say today? But me, nyam, this and that and back to this, everything will become true if I go 24 hours if it's true and delete videos. That's what I'm talking about. If I didn't know how to delete my video them.
Bro,
Bless my father.
I say something to you from as a man to a man, you see it? I don't know if you're going to listen to me still, but watch the reason you know what I say to you. It's all of this, brother. A long time I watch you.
Yeah.
A man way jump up in a social media like that. And me personally can't see all of the good way you do, bro, over the years. Care about you and our situation, whether it be past, present, or whatever. I don't care about that, brother. So me I say if you follow up this, bro, you're going to mash up your brand, brother.
Mm-hmm.
So you see me, from my point of view, just let this go. Make she say what she wants to make she do anything what she want for the bro. Because we don't understand, you know. It's a corporate Jamaica, bro. I look to a lot of right now. For a lot of things. And you see you prolonging this, brother.
Yeah.
And all them screen recording here go around because me a corporate Jamaica right now. And me I see all of this. Me nah look to you for do nothing for my company, bro. You mash up your own brand by prolonging this. And me a big man for your able. Me a 40-year-old, bro.
Yeah.
And when me I say to you, if you want to listen, if you want to read between the lines, corporate Jamaica I look to a lot of influencers, a lot of things, bro. And you will follow up this, brother, you shoot yourself in your foot. And then everybody run with, bro, gonna make sense all the time, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody, you know, when mean we're good and dead with, are gonna make sense all the time, able.
Yeah.
You're a big man, and I know you have sense, bro. My sister, you have sense. Do the sensible thing, bro, and left this alone. Don't even talk about it after today. You don't need to admit, you don't need to deny, you don't need to say yes, nay. You don't need to do nothing, bro. Just drop this and focus on what is positive. Help who you can help. Do what you can do for society, brother, and leave your mark, bro. That's all you have to do, bro. It's a boy, you're a big man, this a boy foolishness, brother.
Shorty, what go on?
So I don't know if you want to listen to me, because you don't know me, I'm not really into the social media like that, bro, but me I tell you, love this. Because this a mash up your thing, bro.
No. Hold on. One thing, what I'm apologizing for. I'm not going to apologize for nothing publicly.
You're not listening to me saying, bro. You don't need to
I understand what you're saying, my father. I understand what
you're saying. You don't need to say nothing more about it, because you're going to kill it. You shoot yourself in the foot, bro.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, my father. I not follow it up. You understand? I understand what you're saying, I not follow it up. For real. Because I rate what you say and not uncle you, Catwoman, Louise,
bro,
other people.
You have always in my ears.
One of them always in my ears telling me this and telling me the right thing and telling me to do this and telling me to do that. You understand what I try to say? I'm do the right thing. You see, let me tell you one thing I'm vexed about. You understand my father? I'm tell you I'm vexed about. You see me streaming right so? You hear me?
Yeah.
You see me streaming right so? Normally, when I'm over here so, I bear positivity. And you try the right people, I'm humble. I'm always in my corner, while the rest of the people them bungle up over there so, and more while them kill one another. I'm in a screen card, I'm the right so. You see what I try to say? But what I'm saying now is that, you see me? You see everything that threw at me on media lately, I wrong myself for how I angle it, because normally I don't angle it on camera.
Yeah.
Normally I don't pay it no mind and leave it alone already, and I better drop a one video about it or a two and move along.
Yeah, bro.
You understand? But this situation now, you see me? You're right. You see me? You're right, you know.
Yeah, man. Let it go, bro.
Respect that.
Let it go, bro. Because I tell you, you have people out there. You have people out there who genuinely love and respect you. I tell you that.
Yeah.
And your people and your supporters, them dead for you 100%. So when I say to you, it's if once you know within yourself, bro, say the narrative that is being painted is not you, you don't need to reply to it, bro. No matter what nobody wants to say, boy, you know, brother, once you know you know, and you know the truth, you know, my youth. That's all that matters, you know. You don't care zero a nigga or a girl wants to say, brother.
Yeah.
I remember you're on social media, you have a youth. Everything with on social media, now come off, brother. But the biggest picture you need to look on, bro.
No, I'm not going to say about that. You see me? I'm not going to say about that. June 2nd on, man. Skywalker.
So my people, on the seat right in front of, right in front of on the seat say able boss him did I go take down the video them, and because away she say you know make him now go bother take them down. You see me? Because she I say boy Ray this and that, if you not take it down this and that and one go up man this and that seal, so him decide say yo him now go take it down because you da look like say, you know what I mean? So I want you to tell me what you think in the comment section still, but on a level, able boss, when him do still, when him not tap up the belly and them something there, you know what I mean? That is a mean man thing. You see it, or him kind of this, or him look upon her lower than him. That are just my opinion. You see me I say, because me know say if I know other female, him would have deal with them better. So him look upon she as somebody lower than him. Him could have tap up her belly. You see me I say, because him a dig it out. So him could have tap it up. You see me I say, and him could have deal with her better. So right now, people, we are going to go over to the RT boss, Blinger, you know what I mean, and this youth, yeah, I talk about the whole thing, you know what I mean, because, as I said, the female say some things, RT boss, them, you know, everybody think them, you see me, you see me, so them have to take part in whatever go on, so here we go on and all my people, we are go over to Blinger RT boss and hear what them are going with.
Listen to the people in their mind, they come from me, they talk, the woman I go talk back.
Men bother me first, disrespect. I don't know how me stay, no. I not just run out and disrespect people, so I have to really say something more.
Exactly.
True.
Disrespect you and you have to answer.
I not go just see somebody and run for food. Hey, girl, you pussy guy disrespect the rate. I not say so.
I know what you're not so you see, mother.
Offend
But when me
somebody
ask you,
and then come from my life, me say, alright, girl, sorry, girl, alright, me done, me sorry, I saw me steal. But unique in a no position to call me all, and unique in a no blood clot position to call me mom, because me know me look better than unique, mother. And me know me look better than unique. And me know no boy never fuck up my blood clot yet, and I know lucky me just. You understand? No girl now profile, not one bomber clock man can come out from the media comes to them, shoot them, put down my throat, or them report them back to work. Not one. The day boy come to blood clot, do that, me pay them.
Miss Blinger, the greatest thing about it is
when me
that
ask you,
other people can learn,
that was a
because
new theory.
probably I'm going to share only one can come up and talk about it. Probably more than one
Yeah,
people
because
in
none
this
of them can't talk what them go through, because them go through worse than the girl. And everybody
Yes,
come jump up on her back and let
I'm
me
probably looking now.
say, no for we secret can come to light, because
Yes,
we have to dead with that.
I'm true.
Do that. No for we
Who
secret can
represent-
come to light, we have to dead with that. So nobody don't need to beat the girl. If all people need to do is support this little girl because she young.
Well, look, you know, some people go
Everybody,
through worse situation
alright,
and
you
that.
guys, let me say
Everybody
this to
can
you
talk
guys.
one
I'm
time.
gonna say this to you guys. You guys are correct. You guys are right. You guys
Yeah.
are right. But you see right now, wanna please understand. You see me? When my head chip and me have to feel better in myself.
You understand me,
You
yes,
need
Miss
to
Blinger.
suck our big thinking mother.
Alright, Blinger, come after now.
A disrespect to disrespect. From to disrespect, you're going to disrespect her. It doesn't matter. But the moral of the story is Blinger, the little dirty boy, she go down. She says shit.
Wanna go on over Unique Live, please. Wanna just go on over Unique Live. Me no send call nobody to come watch me, brother. Me no wanna help to bring down nobody. Me just want wanna go on over Unique Live. Go on over Unique Live. You see me? I only for disrespect and bring down my take to have my name. And no big pussy could no life blood clot, girl. No chimpanzee, no ink panel, no dog shit, no shit pit, no blood clot drunk crow. Now go feel like so them want come style me and me no answer. You're crazy. Remember, I know I stand for a lot of things, and I stand for the best things. I stand for good. I don't stand for bad. But no girl now style me, I'm gonna style them back. After me done blood clot style her, then me with my bitch up, jump on her side. And you can't say me have 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Don't have nothing to do with me. I don't really want a friend from Una brother. I'm a true loyal people them who support me, and the people them who support me. You see when me get like this, they if you know me. You see when me get like this, them either stay or them leave until when time I done them come back. She be can't class because she be don't know nothing about me. Go suck your mother. You and she be. That not enough to do with blood clots me. Because me answer who me want fucking answer. That's enough to understand. Me not hear she be. I know me not hear that. And if me hear that have nothing to do with me. You think people now go and style me? My heart. Yeah, no matter how much big blood clot, belly ugly bumper blood clot, wildebeest pussy blood clot, broke dog shit, no husband, no kids, blood clot, whatever want to say about me. Guess what? I'm trending. So a girl I go come after me. A boy I go come after blood clot me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Them I go come after me. What you not see?
So now see my people, Blink kick everybody off of the live because the woman I tell her say for easy. You know what I mean? It's like some of the time people can tell you things. You know what I mean? People can say no go so hard. You know what I mean? And you hear. You see it. Because nobody not too big for hear what your next person say. And on a level she never had this blinger in a no big way. You see what I say? It's just that she dey on Fear Alive and Blinga want her to go over Fear Alive and she must say she not go over Blinga Alive. And you know how the people them stay when them a carry things back go give people. Them put on what them for put on panny and whatever. Seeing and Blinga ear say at that she say and then start go off pan her. You see it. So some of the time it don't make no sense you go so hard for something where you not hear out a person out. You see me I say? So we are going to watch some more people because RT boss are going to get ad on it and this youth are going to get ad on it and them are going to talk about the whole thing. You know what I mean? One of defend evil boss, one of defend the girl. Seeing?
Everybody have them platform, everybody have them community and them whatever the fuck. When me a cuss, me a blood clad cuss. Me tired for cuss. Me not argue with some people no more because me not get not even followers and me not get money. Me love money. Money and me middle name, it turn me on. So when me not see no money in a something, me take on myself. Me not no time me love you crazy. Me could give 2 for the one class blood clots me. That not nothing for do with me because she be don't know nothing about me. Me say the boy we can't come say them shoot them hood down but short in my blood clot bat in my eye in my nose. Run out. Run out. Moderator, Black God bless. Me supposed enough John Crow. Remember say your phone and you pay one for me and you watch me. Jaden, me depend on the phone they use. Which you message me on the 8 on that's the phone I have using. Message me on the Beauty Bling World phone. Message me on the Beauty Bling World phone. World TikTok. Message me there.
Miss Blinger, what going?
You know see.
Yeah, man, a unique cousin. What going on unique?
That not enough to do with blood clot me. What listen?
What do you mean?
That
right now, unique.
That not enough.
Miss Blinger, listen to me, Miss Blinger. Me just try to clarify things right now. Unique up on the other line right now. I listen to you. So what you have to say to her?
No, me. She have to listen to me. And that them do. Them listen to me. Them have a blood clot. Watch me.
But watch out, Miss Blinger. Me never like the disrespect about her mother and things. Because you don't know you're a big woman still, Miss Blinger. You don't know.
That not to do with me. Listen. What talk?
Miss Blinger?
Yeah, she hear you.
Miss Blinger?
Yeah.
Me want to talk to you, see? Me have a problem. You know, pretending to nothing to do with the argument together, man. I have a problem with this government and these people who get underpaid. I don't know who for platform can talk about it for me.
All right, Ruth, me go make me hear what you say, Ruth. But right now, me there war. Here,
Ruth, 1 minute, Ruth. 1 minute.
You want me, Ruth? We're going to talk back to you. No disrespect. You hear me? Me not really run with people. But right now, Ruth, me go talk back to you, girl. Give me till later. You heard about later?
Yeah, man.
All right, big up yourself.
All right, unique. What you say now?
She not hear me. She hear me?
Yeah, unique fuck off. For the bumble blood clot, you come over here so with unique pan phone for. For what? Well, stay over there and do what the fuck do. Where you go run out to come defend? Huh? Where you come up here with blood clots unique pan phone for? Me look like a somebody give a about, you know.
Hey, Miss Blinger. Blinger, oh, you look so sad this morning. Mr. Me, I listen to you up on the phone with Unique. Your uncle or darling, your uncle
She
or...
move her dirty blood clot. What am I coming past with sheep on phone for? For
your
what?
uncle or my love. Me,
Who them think
not
them
tell
is?
no lie,
Who
mama,
the
you look
fuck
good.
them think them is? You want chat to me? Come on my blood clot place. Go suck on your mother.
I like it, me. Your uncle or darling, your uncle or...
Fuck gonna feel like none of you can style me upon this. None of you, I swear. You're crazy. You come here. You come for talk to me. You have a
guys,
big
you
clock
follow
on
Megan
phone.
Myers, guys.
And talk
Follow
about, oh,
Megan
she
Myers.
area. Go listen to me. The whole on calf. On a big pussy mother and mom. I'm auntie. I'm mom. And the old girl. Them I
Me did kind of tune in late, Miss Bling. Then away and she did really have Miss Blinger, cause come like me hear the script late, mama.
Miss, me never like explain myself. Right now, me dark, you know.
Your uncle or do mama, me I tell you the truth.
No, but me not understand. Like, Megan, make this make sense. You claim say you have a problem with me, Megan. You don't go find me. What the fuck
yeah, for real, mama, for real.
What the fuck is blood clot, you Unique? You're just a yam made a yam field, a yam plantation. You're a dog. 2 sheet of blood clot.
Yeah, man, she should go pebble down and rest her body for her due date, mama. Calm down your body for your due date and stop it, girl. She need to stop it.
So, people, me don't really like how Blinger deal with the girl still. You know what I mean? Although Blinger say she decide because of how she call her mom, right? Me see her next woman forward pan Bling live and me hear the woman I say sitting like mama or something like that. And Bling no say nothing to her. You see me? But this girl go say mom. Sometimes people say mom out of respect to, you know. You see me I say, but me don't know how the girl said if out of respect because context matter. You know what I mean? Depends on how she said. You see it. So tell me what you think. We're going to hear some more Bling have to say.
Calm down your body, man. Rest your body for your due date.
Class 2 shit as in girl come try class me. Look at you.
Your uncle or darling,
hey,
me
girl,
not tell you like your uncle or...
Because I don't trouble you. You understand? A 2 sheet of zinc while you up in your blood clot foot. And for the girl them want come talk about this happened to it best away. This never happened to me yet.
Yeah, tell your mama your uncle or darling.
You come talk about she's a child. Do not suck the skin out them pussy. Child do not go man yard every blood clot time for go for them. Child don't do that.
Oh.
Move on a blood clot. Go away off of my life. Child don't do that. Child no take. You come justify, you want justify. You bring the bitch here. She go suck her mother.
If you are she in them type of altercation, yeah?
When I get pa my nerve, we don't know fuckery. Me tired of it. Me tired of you always want to come get girl wrong. So them just get up and class girl and talk about girl. And girl no fit answer, me a go answer. No fuck off and
Mama Bling, Mama Bling, Mama Bling. Take time with her. Take time. Mommy, you can't help her. Uncle, you alone can't help this case, Mama Bling. Take time with her.
You're a bar, mama.
She rely upon you for help her.
She rely upon. Well, guess what? If me no help her, my boss will help her.
Take time, Mama. Take time. Take time. Uncle, you know can't handle this case. Take time with her.
Take time with her because you know say the little girl can't handle you neither. So take time with her. Sometimes you know if you look pay them no mind neither because you know your situation. You know say in a good position. You know if you bother class or up
Megan.
Yeah.
Let me tell you. It's not a lot of persons will understand me, Megan. You see? Even though me say me have to answer her, but me go up on her side later, right? Because we are able to go down.
Yeah,
one Bling, one Bling, one Mama
Bling.
Bling.
Whatever did to her, Megan, it is sad and wrong and it's not right.
Yeah, me feel a way still, Miss Bling. Me feel a way.
One Mama Bling.
I feel a way about it. That's why I'm going to beat Abel. That's why
one diamond queen Bling
and the DJ queen we are fuckable. Them need to look for the man where they have skin out them pussy.
Yeah, for real, man, for real. But me not really
Yes,
like
Mama
it.
Bling.
All we are woman who feel live
One
good.
diamond Bling.
And
Ungo
so
you
young
no
again,
more can help them a
argument.
case ya. This
No
a
bother
case
with
ungo
it.
you no more can help it, Mama Bling.
Real,
Do
man.
take time with beat her first, but help her. She need beaten, but
She a
help
go on
her.
still, you know. She
Money
a go
tell
on.
you
She have
this.
a lot of followers.
You
She a
see,
go on still.
make she go on. This will help bill her. This will help bill her.
Yes.
Because guess what? You see,
Yes.
this what me I do, it a bill her too. So make she sell and
Yes,
take what
Mama
she
Bling.
get. If she want
Same
to
It
way.
back
a
with
bling
me,
her,
make she
Miss
call back
Bling,
with me.
it a bill her at the same time. You have to
Exactly. That nothing
understand.
to do
So
with
she
me, my love.
pregnant.
Me no
She
like nobody
pregnant.
come
You
to me with war
understand?
class. Me una fi stop it. Cause I go get all one day. Cause me no blood clots all. Stop it.
Yeah, as a research
One
and
Stop
somebody
it.
a
Bling.
dump on your mama.
Una
I
fi
will
stop
research
it.
it so
Stop
somebody
it.
a dump
Stop
on your
it.
soul.
Cause if me all,
Miss
you
Bling,
all.
me not depend
Wow.
no
But
side.
Miss
But the
Blinger,
fact
me
that she
can
call your
love
mom,
you more.
you should
Let
have
me
just bypass that.
And
She
that good. Me not
pregnant.
bypass a blood clot. Cause last night me da walk and me get the message that she said she not go on a whole foot live. Our blood clot big to fuck out. Don't know deep throat. Mama
Yes,
like
I was on the live. I was on your live. I was on
30
her
and
live at
over.
the
She look
same
like she
time.
30 and
But
over.
at
Me
the
not
same
go
time, you
no
have to
life with her.
understand that she young and she pregnant.
yes, she young. Take
Everybody make
time with her.
mistake.
Take time with her.
Can you
Everybody
put your
make
foot the
She
mistake.
closer?
a go through her phase. She
Okay.
a go through her phase, Miss Bling. Take time with
Yeah, go through
her.
your face,
Head
man.
We are not going to
confused,
have
head
no
mix
other.
up.
Only for we have,
Very
only for
And
sad.
as a mother, I'm sure you have daughter. And as a mother,
media with
take
no
time
fear
with
about
her.
people. Don't come for the media with no stress, with your stress self. Keep a pregnancy.
Una nah understand. Una come off of my live and go on pan phone live or go on pan unique live. I do not watch views. I fuck don't. Worse when I'm upset. Views don't help me. I come out here and I say support Live Gold, Cash App, Zelle, PayPal. Listen to me. I am beating Able left, right, and center. I am going to beat Able left, right, and center. But this little girl, she's rude. And I don't like it. You understand? But in the same sentence, if she come back to me for help me, I go help her. But guess what? Everybody I forget all one day. Everybody I forget all one day. If you don't like what me, just come out from a blood clot's life. Because guess what? Number one in the door support. I think it's hard for top. You don't care if it's on one gift. Even some other have it on dose on it. So one day I suffer. You don't pay on your own phone bill. Why you guys are watching me since I'm so toxic? Like, make this make sense. Able feel like say man the man able go on like him all that and him not all blood clot that.
So when you hear the woman come on the live a while ago and I call her, must say, wait, man, I call her mama or mother, bling or something like that, and she don't say nothing. You see me, I say, I'll do as me say context matter because she calling her mother bling or whatever, a big she kind of big her up. You see me, I say, but me don't know in our context, the girl say, you know what I mean, whatever she said. You see, so I could watch some more because RT boss them not come on yet with people. So I could get into some more.
Yeah, but not a secret for me. Wanna stop make them TikTok up on this TikTok. Make you feel like you're less of a person because you guys are not. Because without you guys, we are nothing. You, DJ Queen, who are able. How you feel now? How you feeling yourself for no say you a guy like that? You cat woman, aka auntie. How you feeling yourself for no say you a fuck a guy like that? We use the little girl all because of 2 sheet of zinc. 2 sheet of zinc cause this. You know, Miss Beauty Bar, how you feel in yourself for no say you a fuck man. We are dealing with woman like that. Vicky, you under blood clot comment section and kill off your teeth for pea soup. Oh no, do it.
You can never be my baby father. Why? never done come out and talk. But when he said me hurt me heart shatter in a pieces, able. God believe me, dog.
This, what him do to her is super wrong. For every level. But yes, one time when I go come here so, and I come tell me, oh Bling, don't beat her, don't this, she's a child. Kids do not fuck. Kids don't suck. Kids don't skin out their big dot option hole and man. You understand? They don't do that. So when I get a come call me blood clot mom and I come talk about me not go on a old foot life. You big done out, rev out more with Batman fan breed and get you. That's why you're turning a yam blood clot head. Yam feel a yam plantation. And a blood clot old foot. Everything you want to come to class, girl, and talk about girl, oh, like, you're not going to get all one day. I don't like it. So don't come, nobody no come tell me, oh, don't class her. Don't class her. Lady, me never trouble you. Oh, no, make me all a cuss in my judge clothes. I don't like it, man. I did not start with her first. I did not, because I never disrespected her. I don't stay so. Uno alayad. I never disrespected her. I never disrespected.
Her Majesty, Lord, Highness, Judge, Queen.
I think you're quite sexy.
My lord, I am saying you have to relook the application, my lord, from the Queen Elizabeth to look to see that in this case, my darling, it is a lot of atrocious energy. So I would like you to relax and verify the case and analyze the case because I see that you are very upset and you are bashing my madam, my lord. I will ask you to please to look within the situation with Unique and Able Bass. I understand she says something that you don't like, my lord, but I think you should just know that as a judge, people will criticize. But what I'd advise you to do is try the case to see the time without you speak wrath and judgment as the queen, my lord.
You know, that's what I was doing. That's what I was doing, right? And I come out here to do the case this morning. Who's echoing? One of us is echoing. I came out here to do the case this morning, RT. Right? But RT, from last night, you know, I take up the case and I drop piece, then I go and come here to go work, right? One time I did them, I get the message them where them I say, oh, sure. Start live. First of all, this class mom. You've seen me in real life. I'm nowhere near. I don't like
I'm here, echo. Let me come back.
She said what she said, I'm an adjuster. Then me left her, I go over upon Able side. Come here, I go class Able because I was able to do to the girl. Right? Because I just feel like Able is wrong. At no point in time, okay, she asked for little help. Right? If I saw it go, me hear about the 2 sheet of zinc help what she asked for. Fine. Remember, all we need help sometimes.
Check.
Hello?
Yeah, may I hear you talk?
All right, we're good now.
But when I say my people, Bling know better than that because people can't come say anything to her, but maybe the person will say it still. You know what I mean? She maybe believe the person. You see it? Because me not see why the girl that call her all foot. You see it? But if she say mom, you know what I mean, she should have take it like that and this her up and this up her all her mother and them way there. Me know say Blink wouldn't like nobody for this. Fear her mother or fear her youth them. If you're a person in her vibes, just take it up with the person in her vibes with you. You know what I mean? Why you bring them mother in it and this the girl mother in the wickedest way. You see me I say? And not everybody, I know say not everybody she a go deal with like how she deal with the girl. You know what I mean? But true, maybe she look down upon the girl and she say, boy, you know what I mean? She just diss up the girl. But she never really have to do it. You know what I mean? Although if the girl say what she say, you know what I mean, she no feel no type of way if Bling come back and say something about she. If you say something about her for real, you know what I mean, well, Bling can say whatever she say. But if the mom thing, she this her up for, me no feel say she should have go so hard. So I want to tell me what you think, and we're going to listen some more what them have to say.
RT, you've been with me for years, and you know how I get. I don't care what whatever. Me not like what she say. Me never trouble her. RT, me never trouble her. So she style me as mom, one. I'm gonna have the recording. She come back again and she say, she now go over no old foot live. Me have to come over there. You know I don't need new unique. I never send call her, and I never ever expect her to come by me for what? I did not. So now the cousin or brother, whatever the fuck there is, come up on the live and have her on the phone. And he must say, yeah, here are, me not work them really, my love. Me no piece of girl, or me no, who the fuck is them? Like, seriously, me no feel like me supposed to stoop to nobody level. And then I like me depend on level or more than nobody and better than nobody. I'm not able, boss. But you're not gonna style me and you expect someone to kiss your ass. Me have a problem with that, my love.
All right, I understand where you come from when you say the way she say it wasn't right, because you have a feelings to so do she. Okay, we understand. But in this situation, you shoot, all right? All I am saying, you shoot. Okay, shoot. Try the case now. Because...
For me to try the case, I'm gonna need her lawyer and able lawyer. That's what I come out for this man.
Representing her.
You represent her?
Yes, as a judge and as an attorney. A two title may have right now, one now here. Judge and attorney.
Well, may I feel, who is going to represent Abel?
Nobody, no money. Me have to get a legal aid. Nobody in here wants to...
You might get a surprise. You might get a surprise. What happened to Catwoman where I'm asleep with now? And DJ Queen?
Anybody to represent Abel Boss, because I'm representing Unique.
Unique have top lawyer. What is? Unique in a big league. Unique in a big league. It look like them Freda, you know. We need a lawyer for Abel Boss. Oh, it go. Send a request. Guys, come on. This can't real. You see? No, sir. Guys, we need to try the case. We need to try the case. Come on. I see some females want to come up in the box. What is your reason? Only lawyers must come up right now. Lawyer must come up. Let me see if this gentleman wants to represent anybody. Hold on. Yeah, top judge I run. I want
let me say this. Listen to me. We can't manage. All right, listen now. All right, make we go through.
Yes, we're gonna go through. Tavii, come back. Guys, send your request. The person representing Abel Boss. Come on. Guys, Sian Lee can't represent Abel Boss. Because remember, say, I think Abel did fuck with Sian woman. I think I saw it did go. Or them did a war over ICM girl. One little mix up.
So many years said Tavii Dan was a part of the threesome because him and Abel Boss are friend.
Which threesome?
Because him as in he was Ras. Carry on, forget that. Forget that. Lord Jesus.
Okay. Who is going to represent Abel type 1? We need a lawyer for Abel. Come on, bad to bad. Abel say about the king of the app. I'm not have nobody for run out for him. If I did me, somebody run out for me. If I did sunshine. Here there. Guys, me no want add nobody wanna know the case. You must know the case.
Add him back now, man. Add him back. No, that's very interesting. This a case that gonna be one of the biggest blood clot case in history. Cause no, Tavii full of style and all them bumbo clot nightmare road from right now. Because this is gonna be one of the biggest history case the blood clot.
Come on, send a request. Him not send a request. Tavii, send back your request, or who is gonna represent your client for.
So see it, you know, my people, Tavii and RT Boss. You see me? So Tavii and Able Boss good. That more ask. Because I don't think them good. Because Tavii almost everybody no good still, you know. You see me? So we're gonna hear what the two of them are say, hear them argument and whatever. Because one are defending Able Boss and one are defending the girl. You know what I mean? So make we hear wow go down, you know.
2 sheets of zinc / help, and your client took advantage of her. Are you aware of that?
I am aware of the situation that is happening, but I'm not aware of the advantages being taken of.
All right. Well, some of the advantages were he had sex on multiple occasions without, you know, giving her any substance or anything. At one part, he gave her $5,000, and another time, you know, he would do stuff to her like have her waiting. He don't give her money to do hair nor anything. He would have her at the house, bathing in bath pan, and the worst things, just the worst things. He would be talking on the phone to Kizzy and other females. He don't give this girl nothing at all. And then now he made a skit. I'm not sure if you're aware. He made a skit mocking her. And I feel like this is very wrong on every levels. You understand? So now I'm going to show you this skit. The girl came out and started talking. Gonna play 2 minutes of that video so you can have an idea of what I'm speaking about.
You can never be my baby father. Because one, you're too high, two, you're too lie. You think so everybody frightened for you? Look what sorry mouth, boy. Me say me never da come out and talk, but when he said me hurt me heart shatter in a pieces, yeah.
All right. He stated that she is looking clout after your client had her in his house for days, using her. You know what I mean when I say using her. Without even she getting the 2 sheets of zinc. Because up until now, I doubt she got the 2 sheets of zinc. Then when she came out and started to talk, to hear him out, this is what your client went and did.
Okay.
Why you so obsessed? You know you're no man.
Man. You know me is not a good person. You make me come from country, come in your yard, me go and me come back, me go and me come back, and me go and me come back. You living out all out. Only thing look good is a room. You have a prison bathroom. Me be in a bad for now, hold it out. You give me half a bread when me dead for hungry. So you give me a hotel when me dead out for hungry.
No, come here, me tell you something. You have to make up a different story, because if you go say all them bad things about me, the people are going to say an ambition too, because them are going to say him here no stay good and all them something, but you go away and come back every minute, and you all up in a such mouth and all them something there, so it'll look bad by your side. Them are going to say, yeah, made and you look.
Mr. Buchanan, does this that I just showed you, does it have any bearings on you about your client and how terrible your client has been to Miss Unique?
But Able Boss to the summer people add insult to injury. You see me? Because she don't feel a way already, and now when him come do that, make sure I go feel a way even worse. And upon a level, you know what I mean? Him have, why my people, I don't know, upon a level still, because someone different, you know what I mean? And Able boss still like how him dep on the media and him big on the media. Certain things him have to know what him a do because that can bring him down. You see me? If him do certain things, people are gonna look upon him a different type of way. You see me? But you would say every man do some foolish already certain way. You know what I mean? So only thing is that film thing I get highlighted. You know what I mean? And everybody I go see it and give them opinion on it. You understand? But I want to know, tell me what I think my people. We are going to watch some more and hear what them say.
Based on the two videos that I have seen and legally looking into the two perspectives, my the accuser, they have their opinion to what is happening. My defendant with that video, they're literally just defending the accusations against them, that the claims against them. So it's at the end of the day.
Objection.
Yes.
It cannot be you are declaring or protecting. You are destroying and tarnishing the girl by stalking her with the video.
Objection again, Your Honor. Objective.
Yes.
Okay? Object. Because I am defending my client, and this person is talking while I am talking. That is not cool, first thing. And remember that the defendant, RT Boss, the person that RT Boss is defending right now, what's her name? Unique. Remember, she is the first one that came out with a video talking about this and that. So at the end of the day, we don't really actually know if the claims are true against my client.
Your client admitted. He stated in the video.
Yes. Mr. Buchanan, he admitted it.
My client admitted it in the video.
No. He admitted it on his live that he slept, he went to bed with her, yada, yada, yada. I'm not, you didn't see that recording?
Objection. My client admitted that on live.
Yes.
Oh, I can't defend him then,
Listen, may I say something?
I defend him if he said that on live.
Mr. Tavii D, aren't you aware that your client that you're defending is also tarnishing the Jamaican man society by, in the Jamaican law 88559, a man fuck a girl and give them a burger with no teeth. Your client is bringing a burger.
Objection, half a burger.
Exactly. So what I am saying, that is an obstruction to the man race in Jamaica society. We don't do that when we are fuck girl. We fuck them and give them burger or KFC. We not bite nothing give them. So that
Objection. You cannot just be saying burger like that. You have to be declaring the type of burger that is being presented. My client is being
burger
presented.
eat, but we're talking about the one at Burger King. But both burger, but we can defend the one where we're talking about where she broadcast.
Mr. Buchanan, your client ate a burger and had half left, and he gave it to her. Mr. Buchanan, your client right now is sleeping with Catwoman, and he, in spite the fact that he is dating DJ Queen. Remember, he also, and Catwoman, your client is a lot of things. Your client is sleeping with Catwoman, aka Auntie, and she used to shoot for Swiss Lee. But his actual woman is Queen, the DJ. But based on the birthday post, Catwoman thinks she is the one, like she is his right out girlfriend. Plus, remember, he was also sleeping. It's alleged he was also sleeping with Beauty Bar and World Dog Gifter, Rock.
Objection. My client is affiliation with all of these. Remember, my client is not married, so he has the right to do whatever he wants to do.
I'm just showing you the reputation of your client. Why is it your client didn't use these individuals? Why? Because they gift him. Mr. Pududu client have nothing to gift him. So this is why he takes such terrible
my face.
Lord.
Object. Alright then.
So I tell me what you think about what Tavii and some people, because I don't feel like say Tavii ready for this yet. You know what I mean? I'm not ready for it. Tavii, this is not for you. You see me, I say this is not for you, Tavii. You see it. But people want to tell me what I think. So we're going to hear, you know what I mean? We're going to hear some more, because I don't feel like say this too ready in our way. You know what I mean? But we are going to listen to it same way. Listen a couple more minutes and then we are going to end it.
My lord, this is what you need to know. The Abel boss is not a real man. He was using the girl, trick the girl, tell the girl that he's going to help her and give her things, and it never worked out. Mind you now, not no wrong when you come to the when she reach. It's a very much nice little decent river country girl, my client is. And when she take that nice country bus and come to town, my lord, it did not even give a bus fare, my lord. And when she reached there, the mother was in the kitchen. And my lord, this is what I am really, really upset about.
Objection.
Your Honor, objection. My client has to shake
Objection.
How can my client shit and flush toilet at the day of sexual
I'm gonna let you
intercourse?
speak. Give me 1 second.
Me object.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you get to object all the time. Neither you nor Mr. Pudu do. The people want to hear the stories.
Oh, remember that Mrs. Mr. Pududu's client. Remember that Mr. Pududu's client.
Yes.
Agreed to the zinc fences and so forth before they cross path. Before she crossed path.
What do you mean? Please to explain this for us.
I'm just saying, you know, wasn't the zinc fence? Wasn't the zinc and the so forth declared before Mr. Pududu's client visited my client?
No,
allegedly?
objection. Pududu, no. He was on TikTok getting lions and lions for a week, getting millions of dollars, and nobody couldn't get #1 spot. So therefore, shouldn't be no zinc problem. So that is an ambitious problem with your client. That is why he treat my wife, the lady like that, my client like that.
Yes, because he was holding on to the #1 spot for weeks, if you can remember.
Oh man, hold on there. I kind of quit my job, you know, cause what kind of client this me have now, RT?
That's what I'm trying to say to you.
No, man.
Your client, and listen, listen.
Hear me I say no.
And remember, your client, not for anything. Your client was not giving the first baby mom anything for the child at some point. Your client mother house need fixing. I don't know if it will fix now, being that the people are talking about it, because that's what we do. We talk about stuff and people fix it up.
Hold on there. There's so much fucker my client go on with for real.
Yes, and then your client sit down and feel like we are watching his dick, which we're not. So your client feel like he is the man when he is not. Remember, right now, your client is sleeping with a few persons who don't know.
No,
about
man, not
each
say my
other.
client, man. Remember, say me just quit my job, you know. So you have to say them client.
Oh, so if you quit your job, we're gonna need another representative for him.
You have to say them client, cause no, what the fuck you say?
Mr. Buchanan, you wanna tell me that you took up a case and you did not sit with your client to really figure out who you were working with or who you was working for?
Listen, I am one of those lawyers that the government just put on a case, you know. I'm one of those, you know.
Oh, you're a legal aid.
I told you, Miss
I'm a legal aid.
I told you that, Miss Bling, that is a legal aid liar. I'm going to come in.
Legal aid, because Missy said aid is needed, so I just get aid legally.
Exactly.
You understand? So, hear me I say now. And I'm like, what the fuck you say? No, I can't believe say all of this go out with the G. What the fuck you say? Hear me I say, somebody come represent, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna have an next.
How was this? I first never see something like this. Tavii jump and gone. How the blood clot this? Gianna was tired. So people, it look like Senegal will win. Gianna. So I want to tell me what you thinking at the comment section. Still, May I tell you something, man. You see, every boss and everybody, we are do them thing, we have to know what we do. You see me, because you are going, you in the social media where everybody are gonna have an opinion upon you. So if you do certain things and people come say Ray, people are gonna have things to say about you. You know what I mean? And you not have to just be like good with what you do. For people say, no man, I good you Ray, this and that. You have to do right through. You see me I say deal with people good. You see me I say? Simple as that. So you have to know what you do. You know what I mean? I hope him not do them thing you against still. So we're gonna just watch some more people. We'll just watch a couple more minutes and then end it. So make me know what you think in the comment section.
Representative, but
No,
we're going to add a juror. Don't leave, because maybe one person would like to ask you a question. Before you go, let's see if any of the jurors would like to ask you a question, Mr. Buchanan.
Yeah, Candice, me traumatized for real, man, by them story, may I tell you.
So you're saying that you had no idea?
Me just come up, me just wake up and see the thing this morning and just,
Okay. Does any of these jurors would like to ask him anything?
Good morning.
Wait, your phone was giving trouble. Nurse Brown, good morning.
Good morning. I'm actually the assistant lawyer for Able Boss today in the capacity of lawyer nurse. And all of what Doodle is saying about his client and your accusations about my client Able Boss is irrelevant. Whomever him used to fuck with, sleep with, is irrelevant to this case. All right. Sometimes Doodle client was not in an agreement with my client regarding any agreement upon him assisting the lady. Sometimes Miss Shanice, right? So anything has to do with his prior sexual relationship or association has nothing to do with this case. So I want you to strike all of those from the evidence.
But
anything has to do with it.
Nurse Brown, I'm very sorry you cannot say that, because this gentleman has a history and that came up in the chambers. So we look at that as well. Because did you know that your client wanted to do a threesome with Mr. Pududu's client and her friend?
And that is irrelevant to the matter at hand. I understand, and yes, his history matters, but it is irrelevant to this case.
How is it irrelevant when we're trying to figure out why did your client do all these things to Miss Unique without giving her the 2 sheets of zinc?
Was there a verbal or written agreement between them regarding for the zinc?
It was a verbal. It wasn't anything written. So this is why, and this is why she went there, because she needed the help. And up until now, she did not get the help. Mr. Pududu's client is with child as we speak. And we do not know if your client is the father. I doubt the Miss Unique knows who's the father, but we're not going to go there.
But Your Honor, my client denied these accusations. My client denied these accusations that there was a verbal agreement between them. Based on the video that you saw my client put forward, you hear what he said? He said, if you come forward making these accusations, how does it look on you in public? We're going to say you're a yammer.
Your client is stupid. And this is what your client knew what would happen. And that's exactly what happens. Some of us will call her a stupid and an idiot and a yammed. But let us look at what is at hand right now. Your client is a user. He's wrong for what he did to her. What do you have to say about that? It is so unfair. This little girl.
Your Honor, I object. Your Honor, I object. My client saying that they have both of them have a when they have a consenting relationship. There was no agreement between of them to exchange of good. This is not a barter system. Which woman is going to have second fence? And over and over and over, she came back and back and back.
My lord, in this sexual case,
my lord. Oh, everybody else says something just time.
My lord, in this sexual case, this is a woman versus a man. A lawyer has to have been there energy to clarify this case.
Alright, my people, so I hit that. Someone to tell me what you think in the comment section. Able boss from last year, this a go on. You know what I mean? And a full-time feat done, you see me? But here what go on. You have to know what you do, my G. You see me? You're there on the media, and anything you do, I go come on the media. You see me? So, know what you do. You see, that's all I have to say. So people let me know what you think in the comment section.